This Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD boasts a turbocharged diesel V8 6.6L/403 engine powering this automatic transmission. Remote keyless entry, engine, DURAMAX 6.6L turbo diesel V8, B20 compatible, 445 horsepower, 332 kilowatts, at 2,800 revolutions per minute, 910 pounds-to-foot of torque, 1,220 Newton-meters, at 1,600 revolutions per minute, includes capped fuel fill, K40, exhaust brake, V10, govrat, K05, engine block heater, airbags, crew cab, single-stage frontal airbags for driver and front outboard passenger, seat-mounted side impact airbags for driver and front outboard passenger, head curtain airbags for front and rear outboard seating positions. This Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD features the following options: windows, power with driver express up and express down on all other windows, wheels, 18, 45.7 centimeters, chromed aluminum includes 18x8, 45.7 centimeters by 20.3 centimeters, steel spare wheel. Spare not included with ZW9, pickup box delete unless a spare tire is ordered. Requires single rear wheels, wheelhouse liners, rear, requires crew cab or double cab model. Not available with dual rear wheels. Deleted with ZW9, pickup box delete, visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors, transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy duty, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise grade braking and powertrain grade braking, requires L96, Vortex 6.0 liters V8 SFI engine or LC8 6.0 liters V8 SFI gaseous CNG/LPG capable engine, transfer case, electronic shift with rotary dial controls, requires 4WD models, trailering equipment, trailering hitch platform 2.5 with a 2.0 insert for HD. 7-wire harness with independent fuse trailering circuits mated to a 7-way sealed connector to hook up parking lamps, backup lamps, right and left turn signals, an electric brake lead, battery and a ground. The trailer connector also includes the 4-way for use on trailers without brakes, park, brake/turn lamps, will be deleted if ZW9, pickup box delete or 9J4, rear bumper delete is ordered, trailer brake controller, integrated, if ZW9, pickup box delete or 9J4, rear bumper delete is ordered, JL1, trailer brake controller is deleted and available to order as a free flow option. Tires, LT265/70 R18 all season. Blackwall, requires single rear wheels, tire carrier lock keyed cylinder lock that utilizes same key as ignition and door, not included when ZW9, pickup box delete or 9J4, rear bumper delete is ordered. Stop by today for a must-own Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. Come see us at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3. Just minutes away.